Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Eastern Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in easternbank.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Eastern Bank. Now click on the login button at the top right corner and then choose your login portal, and you will find the personal as well as the business login section. After choosing your appropriate login portal, go ahead and type in your username within the username box. You can then click on sign in and you will be asked to enter your account password. Go ahead and type in your account password within the next page and then click on the login button once again. And now you will be logged into your account on Eastern Bank. In case you have forgotten your password, you will find the reset password option within the screen where you need to enter your password. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Eastern Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.